Hola! Welcome to besttolearnspanish.com. In this video, we will review some of the most popular verbs in Spanish. Let's get started. The first one is ser, to be. We use this verb to express identity, origin, occupation, and others. Identity. For example, yo soy María. I am Mary. Origin. For example, yo soy mexicana. I am Mexican. Occupation. For example, yo soy maestra. I am a teacher. The next one is estar, to be. We use this verb to express location, condition, emotion, and others. For example, location. Yo estoy en la oficina. I am in the office. Emotion. For example, yo estoy feliz. I am happy. Condition. For example, yo estoy enfermo. I am sick. In English, there is only the verb to be, one, while in Spanish the verb to be is ser and estar. Here is a tip. The best way to remember the use of one or the other is to relate to a phrase. For example, yo estoy cansada. I am tired. And no, yo soy cansada. No. So if you remember this phrase, you will remember when you want to use it. Yo estoy cansada. Okay, let's see the next one. Hacer, to do. For example, yo hago tarea. I do homework. Tener, to have. For example, yo tengo un perro. I have a dog. Querer. It means to want, to desire, or to love. For example, te quiero. I love you. Tomar. It means to take or to drink. For example, yo tomo el autobús. I take the bus. Or, yo tomo café todas las mañanas. I drink coffee every morning. Beber, to drink. For example, yo bebo café todas las mañanas. I drink coffee every morning. So, yo tomo café todas las mañanas and yo bebo café todas las mañanas both mean I drink coffee every morning in English. So, both are correct in Spanish. Yo tomo café todas las mañanas or yo bebo café todas las mañanas. The next one. Caminar, to walk. For example, nosotros caminamos en la playa. We walk on the beach. Ir, to go. For example, yo voy a la escuela todos los días. I go to school every day. Comer, to eat. For example, nosotros comemos pizza. We eat pizza. Gustar, to like. For example, me gustas. I like you. The next one is dormir, to sleep. For example, yo duermo. I sleep. The next one is vivir, to live. For example, yo vivo en París. I live in Paris. Usar, to use or to wear. For example, yo uso lentes. I wear glasses. Abrir, to open. For example, yo abro la puerta. And the opposite, cerrar, to close. For example, yo cierro la puerta. I close the door. The next one is ver, to see or to watch. For example, yo veo televisión. I watch television. Mirar, to look. For example, when you are walking and you show something to somebody, you say like, look, miren. Escribir, to write. For example, yo escribo español. I write Spanish. Oler, to smell. For example, la basura huele mal. The garbage smells bad. Ugh. Necesitar, to need. For example, necesito un abrazo. I need a hug. Hablar, to speak. For example, nosotros hablamos español. We speak Spanish. Escuchar, to listen. For example, yo escucho música. I listen to music. Oír, to hear. For example, oigo ruidos en la cochera. I hear noises in the garage. Haber, there is and there are. For example, hay 3 jitomates en el refrigerador. There are 3 tomatoes in the refrigerator. Trabajar. For example, yo trabajo en una escuela. I work in a school. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hasta pronto.